Welcome back to the Photog experience. This is a different video than what I've been posting. If you are up to my channel at all, you know that I've been posting vacation videos slash vlogs of our vacation to Central Florida, to Universal, and where we were staying at Winter Hills and all sorts of stuff. But this is a different video. This is going to be an unboxing video of something I am super excited about. And it just dropped on Friday. This is Saturday, and I am ready to unbox this. Let's go. So, I don't know if you can tell by the box. It's a box within a box. It's always a box within a box. This is the new Series 10 Apple Watch. And I am super excited about this for a few reasons. I currently have the Apple Watch SE second edition, so it's relatively new, but still, it's the smaller face, the battery life isn't great, and it doesn't do all the things that I would like it to do, and it's relatively slow. And one of the reasons why I bought this is I am one of the almost 30 million people that suffer from sleep apnea. I'm not super open about that. It's a serious medical condition. Um, Only about 9 million people, and that's just the US, know and are diagnosed with sleep apnea. And I am one of them. And what's crazy is they estimate roughly 30 million Americans alone suffer from sleep apnea. And what's cool about this particular watch, the Apple Watch Series 10, is they have an FDA approved way to track sleep apnea. So if it's something that you think you may have, or it's something that you already struggle with, and you want to see just how bad it is or whatnot, this right here is going to help you. So yeah, little precursor to the unboxing, but let's dive in. Let's open it. Beautiful Series 10. Put that off to the side. And here's my band. And let's just look at this packaging. They really go above and beyond with this packaging, and it shows all the different like bands that you can get. That's pretty awesome. But this is just trash. Move that to the side. Let's go with the band. Now I got a medium to large. But this is just the band. The typical Apple Watch sport band. See, that's what I have on now. They're just super comfortable. And this gives you instructions on how to put your band on your watch. Very nice. Put that off to the side. Now the real time. Go for this boy. This one has 2 tabs. Comes with the instructions. Comes with a charging cable. It is a USB-C, and it is the rope cord, and tells you how to charge it and whatnot. But if you've had an Apple Watch for a while, you kind of know. and some slight information about the watch. Put that back in there, and then the real MVP, this guy right here. It came with like a cool black paper coating. That's super nice. So, oh, that's not how you do that. Let's just rip it off like a band-aid. And here is the new Series 10 Apple Watch. Compared to this. Look at the size difference. My little daughter on my screen. Man. Let's put the watch band on. Look at the difference.